Hi guys, my name is Arina and welcome back to my channel where I review everything tech. Yes, the Google Pixel 5 is here and thank you Google for sending this phone to me for review, so let's get started and open the box. When it comes to color options, you could get your Pixel 5 in green, the official name is Soda Sage, or in black, which Google calls just black. Looks nice. Yes, the fingerprint sensor is here on the back, and I guess having the fingerprint sensor makes a lot more sense in 2020 since, let's face it, the face unlock doesn't really work when you're wearing a face mask. So, in the box we get a quick start guide with the SIM tool, an 18-watt USB-C power adapter, a USB-C to USB-C cable, and a quick switch adapter. When it comes to the build quality, the Pixel 5 has a metal body, but it's aluminum, so it's still pretty lightweight and it feels great in my hands. And it feels kinda unusual, but I like how it feels. And my first thought was whether the Pixel 5 and the Pixel 4a are the same size, and this Pixel 4a is not the 5G version, and the answer is almost, since the Pixel 5 is just a little bit wider and a little bit taller than the Pixel 4a, but overall they're pretty much the same size. We have a 6-inch OLED display on the Google Pixel 5. Just like its predecessor, the Pixel 4, the display on this phone supports 90Hz refresh rate. And we have the Full HD Plus resolution here. Right away, I can say that the display on this phone looks really sharp, pretty much just like on the Pixel 4a and the Pixel 4 XL. And when it comes to brightness, the display on the Pixel 5 is definitely brighter than its predecessors, the Pixel 4 XL and the Pixel 4a. However, I'm not sure if the camera will pick up this difference. By the way, let's open the box with the Pixel 5 case from Google, and this is their signature fabric case. This color is called basically black. As always, looks super cute and feels good in the hand. The fit is perfect. And by the way, this case is machine washable, which is absolutely amazing since keeping the phone clean is especially important this year. When it comes to the camera setup, yes, with this phone we get the new ultra-wide camera, but wait, where is the telephoto camera? Well, yeah, there is no telephoto camera on the Pixel 5 and that could be a bit of a bummer, and if you guys watched my previous video, you know why. But I'm really excited to test out the camera setup on this phone, especially the new ultra-wide camera, and I took a couple of photos to show you guys. And another thing I'm really curious about is the night sight in the portrait mode, but let's save this and other camera features for the comprehensive review and camera comparison tests, so stay tuned for those. When it comes to videos, we get 3 new stabilization modes, and also with the Pixel 5 you can shoot 4K videos at 60 frames per second, which was not available on the Pixel 5's predecessors, where you could only shoot 4K videos at 30 frames per second. When it comes to battery, we have a 4080 mAh battery on the Pixel 5, and by the way, this is the biggest battery on a Pixel phone so far. The Pixel 5 supports wireless charging, and you also get the reverse wireless charging, so yes, this phone has the battery share feature, which I'm super excited about. I wish all phones had this feature since it's really helpful. And my Pixel 5 just died, so let's take the advantage of the situation and do a quick charging test. So let's set a stopwatch and see how long it takes to fully charge the Pixel 5. So in 30 minutes we get 33%. In 1 hour we get 68%. And finally, it takes about 1 hour and 46 minutes to fully charge the Pixel 5. The Pixel 5 runs on the Snapdragon 765G, so I think it should be pretty fast, but we'll see how it does in the real world. We get 8GB of RAM, a step up from the 6GB of RAM on the last year's Pixel 4 XL, and we have 128GB of unexpandable storage on this device. And when it comes to the price of this phone, it's $699 in the US. Well, it really comes to personal preferences, but when it comes to the design of the Pixel phones, most of the time I'm quite impressed with how they look and feel in my hands, and this time is not the exception. Of course, I need to spend a little bit more time with this phone to tell you more details, so stay tuned for my comprehensive review as well as the real-world camera comparisons. Let me know what you guys think about the new Google Pixel 5 and if you're planning on upgrading this year. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you in the next one.